I'd like to turn to Christophe first, because that's quite an interesting profile. You're representing a glass manufacturer, and we've heard from Spain how they're trying to increase awareness on the importance of collection. We've heard from Greece how they're actually trying then to collect the glass. What happens to the glass afterwards, and how do you deal with seasonal variations, and especially from your experience in France, Christophe?
So good afternoon for everybody. So yes, we have in France big activity of tourism, and particularly in the southeast of France. And let me explain if there is a consequence on quality and the quantity, and what is the real impact, and what we do with that as glassmaker who are in France. We supply all the glass for the municipalities. So we have to assume this huge quantity, and how we manage that. So first of all, about quality, is the collection on summer is better, or what is the quality? So there's no really big difference, because between summer and the other period. So we don't have any issue on quality of sorting of collection, and there is no problem regarding all the job which is done by the municipality to collect in good condition, in good quality the collect. But the collection is different in summer than the other period, between the type of glass we collect. So in summer in France we have many consumption of rosé wine, so in the flint glass. So in summer we have a big amount of flint glass on the raw collection, and which is completely different than in the other period. So that this huge amount of glass which arrives in summer, it will be completely different than in winter. So we have to take care about this type of collection, because we treat the glass on summer, but it will be also used in the furnace in winter. So we have to take care about the inventories and to manage that. It's manageable, there is no problem. But it's a fact that this color variation on the glass have an impact for the glass makers, and we have to take care of that. And we take care, and with a good relation we have with our treatment center and the plant to see what is type of collet, if it's an old one or a new one. So because the variation, and I will show you the evolution of the collection in the southeast. So we collect in the southeast of France. We are close to the Mediterranean Sea, where there is many tourism. We collect around 245 kilotons per year. But as you see on the graphs, what is the variation of the quantity between the summer and the low period of collection in February. So we multiply by 2 the quantity, and our treatment center and who feed our glass factory, they need more or less the same quantity. So we have to manage that, and we manage that. We make many actions to mitigate this huge variation of quantity between summer and winter. So we make 2 big actions regarding we put in place with municipalities and with carriers, because we supply to the municipalities, but we are in charge to collect and to have contract with the carrier, the transport company, to bring the raw collet at the treatment center. So with municipality, we gave recommendations, and those recommendations are all in our contract with all the contract of the municipality to help them to determine what is the dimension on the platform where they store the huge quantity of glass. And it's very important that in this region where you have a huge quantity of cullet variation of quantity, you need to have a big platform, because to transport the raw cullet in August, it's not simple, because you don't have any possibility of carriers. They have to. It's difficult because the business is not to be. Is the tourism. It's not the industry of transport and so on. So we have asked to the municipality to design their platforms, and we help them to determine, regarding the quantity they collect per month, what will be the area, the superficie of this storage area. So they have this, and every contract we sign with the municipality, we validate the platform to be sure that everybody don't have issue. Because if you need, as soon as the glass arrived, you need a truck, it's not possible. Trucks are not taxi. So you have incentiveness about the possibility to have trucks. So you need to have places. So if you manage correctly the superficie of the storage area, then you could have less issue in summer to put to take the raw cullet and to put in the treatment center. And we have a big action plan regarding our carrier, our transport company. So we sign contract for 3 years. So they are sure to have business for 3 years. So they can also adapt the holidays of the truck drivers for the summer, because the activity is intensive in summer, and it's very important to be sure that the transport company organize the holidays of the truck drivers to be sure that we can carry to take the raw cullet. So we have long-term contract. We dedicate one transport company by platform. He is responsible to take all the cullet, to have the contact direct with the platform, to be closed, and about the situation, the evolution of the collection, and so on. So we established this relation between the platforms and the transport companies. And then after, I don't see there is no crisis, but it's happened that it's when you have a bank holiday in middle of the week, or on the Tuesday or the Thursday, it's difficult to find trucks, and we have also some emergency cases, and we find solution with other carriers, or we pay more to be sure that they even if they make a transport empty to take the cullet, but we pay more, and we assume that this variation of collection and the issue. So here's the main action plans we manage. So in the southeast, but it's also in the southwest and other region where the tourism activity is important, and we have this type of variation.
Thanks, Christophe.